On September 3rd, 2025, India slashed consumption taxes on a wide range of everyday goods, a sweeping goods and services tax, the country's nationwide sales tax. The overhaul was aimed at boosting demand amid US tariffs. The Goods and Services Tax Council, chaired by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, approved the move, simplifying the four-tier system into two slabs, 5 and 8%, plus a new 40% rate on sin and luxury items. Household essentials, soap, shampoo, toothpaste, bicycles, and kitchenware have all been moved into the 5% slab. Cement will fall from 28 to 18%, while life saving medicines and health related goods are now tax free.
There is a special rate which is 40%. Actually, almost all goods are between 18 and 5. If there's any change, they only can shuffle between the 18 and 5. There is one special rate which is only for sin and super luxury goods. That special rate of 40% has also been proposed and it's cleared. That will apply only to pan masala, cigarettes, gutka, and other tobacco products such as chewing tobacco, products like zarda, unmanufactured tobacco, and weed. All goods, including aerated waters, containing added sugar or other sweetening matter or flavored, caffeinated beverages, carbonated beverages or fruit drink, or carbonated beverages with fruit juice and other non-alcoholic beverages, excluding those specified at lower rates, will all be covered under 40%. Mid-size and large cars, motorcycles of engine capacity exceeding 350cc, aircraft, for example, helicopters and aeroplanes for personal use, distinctly for personal use, yacht and other vessels for pleasure or sports, are all under 40%.
Farmers stand to gain as well. Tractors, harvesting machines, and composting equipment will now be taxed at just 5%, lowering costs and giving a direct boost to the agriculture sector.
Also from 12 to 5 is natural menthol. So किसान के लिए उनके प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए जो वो उपयोग करते हैं उन सब में it has come down. Again from 12 to 5, handicrafts and also labor intensive sectors. What are they? Handicrafts, marble, travertine blocks, granite blocks, intermediate leather goods. ये सब 5 में आ रही.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed the reforms, calling them wide ranging changes that would improve the lives of citizens and ensure ease of doing businesses, especially for small traders and entrepreneurs. The government estimates a $57 billion revenue hit from goods and services tax cuts, but says higher compliance and consumption will balance out the impact. The announcement comes just days after the United States, under President Donald Trump, imposed tariffs of up to 50% on Indian imports, stoking fears of an economic slowdown. Finance Minister Sitharaman, however, insisted that the tax cuts are not a reaction to the tariff turmoil, stressing that the reform were long planned and focused on the common man.